Should you start freelancing in 2024? With all the changes happening around from new technologies, artificial intelligence, and the overwhelming competition out there, it makes sense to wonder if you should still become a freelancer. So find out in this video. I've been a freelancer for about 7 years, and I'll give you an insider's perspective into the top three freelancing trends and if indeed you should join the gig economy this year. The blend of AI and human expertise. AI is probably the biggest game changer for freelancers this season. With tools like ChatGPT that has become mainstream, I get a lot of questions about how AI is going to impact freelancing. And here's my take. I believe AI will empower us and not replace us. And this is why I think so. AI tools are really great at generating content very fast, but they do not have the emotional intelligence, the creative thinking, and the strategic decision making that we as humans possess. We bring tons of intangible value through our experiences and our expertise. For example, you can use AI to generate blog post ideas or even brainstorm product names, right? The possibilities with AI are endless, but with your own, human critical thinking and expertise, you can then begin to pick the ones that you believe will work best for your projects. My prediction is that smart freelancers will harness AI to help them become more productive. So see AI as your foundation that helps you to go faster and build more on it. This brings me to the trend two, which is the rise of collective freelancing. So this is another trend that I'm seeing, develop in the freelance gig economy. So collective freelancing really means freelancers coming together to form, digital agencies, co-ops, and partnerships instead of actually working solo. Earlier on, businesses would just hire one freelance writer for maybe a blog post or a graphic designer to come up with a logo. But as their projects, keep expanding and getting a whole lot more bigger, they realize that they need teams of people to actually handle specialized, services. So many innovative freelancers are recognizing this and they're joining, forces under a single agency or a collective brand, and this really helps them to collaborate more. They're able to pool their resources and expertise together to handle client projects from end to end. When freelancers come together like this, it really helps them collaborate more and move a whole lot faster than if they were just working solo and working on an individual basis. So think about freelancers that are in your network, in your community. Before we go on to the last trend, if you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you can be a part of this community and you do not miss content like this. This brings me to the third trend, which is the need to have versatile skill sets. So while specializing in a niche is really important, when you have versatile skill sets, it gives you an edge over another freelancer that is just super scoped to their service or their industry, like maybe just web development or just blog writing. So make it a priority to learn and be familiar with skills that will help you deliver client projects more successfully, whether that's copywriting, SEO, social media marketing, or more. This multidisciplinary approach allows you to handle projects, that clients give you. For me as a freelancer on Upwork, I offer services like copywriting, sales funnel building, UI design, and a whole lot more. So I found out that when you offer this, all-encompassing services that are complementary, you're able to work better on clients' projects and deliver faster. Being versatile makes you more employable to clients that are looking for freelancers that can take their project end to end. So this is an alternative to the trend two, which is partnering with other freelancers to create agencies. As you can see, these are really exciting times for freelancers and independent professionals. As much as we face challenges maybe with AI or the overwhelming competition out there, this is the best time to get into the gig economy, and the whole appeal of freelancing really lies in the freedom that you enjoy and the versatility that it brings to you. So I'm eager to hear your opinion. What do you think about freelancing? Should people become freelancers in 2024? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring high-income freelancing jobs that can pay you 5 to 6 figures every year, then check out my video, Top 10 Highest Paying Freelancing Jobs for 2024. Until next time, ciao.